Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick recap on NQ. I typically trade the Russell and silver, but I know a lot of you trade NQ, so I wanted to break down what my indicator looks like on this market. There were a lot of great opportunities today, and I have to admit, I may start trading NQ. No, but my indicator is designed to work across any market. So whether you're trading NQ, the Russell, silver, gold, Forex, or crypto, the key is following the strategy, waiting for the confluences to align, and sticking to the rules. Let's jump into the charts. Okay, so we're just going to simply walk through each setup, place our entries, stop losses, and profit targets just like we would as if we were live trading. So we'll go through the whole New York session. So right here, 6:30 Mountain Standard Time, market opens. I don't trade the first 15 minutes. I'll start looking for entries at 6:45 and after. So right here, we have our first entry. This is an A setup. I have more in-depth videos explaining what an A and an A plus setup are if you want to go ahead and watch those. But for right now, I'm just going to simply walk through really fast. So we have our first entry right here. We have an alert signal out of a fair value gap. This is a riskier trade because we are counter trend trading. So do you see how all these EMAs are moving in the same direction? This means we're in a downtrend. So this is a higher risk trade. So I would recommend doing half risk. So if you're risking $250, risk half of that. So we're going to go down here, select our long position tool, place our position on this candle, and then we're always shooting for a 2 risk to reward right here. Okay, let me make this bigger. Okay, you're going to right click, create limit order, select stop. Oh, I'm actually on minis. I never switch this over. You guys will more than likely be trading macros. But for right now, since we're here, we're just going to stick with this. And then click buy. And then once we get triggered into this position, I'll show you how we mark off our 1-to-1. Okay, we're in, move this to a 1 or as close as you can. Okay, and then start moving your stop loss up to break even. Okay, in that case, we won that one. I didn't even have time to confirm my 1-to-1. All right, let's speed this up. Okay, here's an entry right here. So we are only getting 1 confluence out of the 3. I would not take this. This needs to be out of a fair value gap, this wick. And it is not, so we skip that one. Okay, here's another entry. Let me move this back. Okay, this is an A plus setup. All of our 3 confluences come together. All these EMAs are moving in the same direction. This is the 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute. We have our alert signal, and it's out of a fair value gap. And not only is it out of a fair value gap, it's out of a higher time frame fair value gap, and making this a high probability setup. So we're going to go down here, select our short position tool, place our entry on this candle. Okay, that's close enough. Right click, create limit order. This is a full risk trade. And then hit sell. Once we get triggered in, again, I'll show you how we mark that off. Okay, we're in, move this up to a 1 risk to reward. Okay, that's close enough. Make this bigger. All right, move this down just a couple dollars into profit and then hit confirm. Now it's another risk-free trade, and there we won that. All right, let's continue. Okay, here's another entry. Let me move this back. Another A plus setup. All three confluences come together. Go down here, click your short position tool, place it on this candle. Oh, let me move this up. Okay, right click, create limit order, hit stop. Okay, and then sell. Let me slow it down. Okay, move this up. Okay, that didn't tap it yet. We'll wait for it to fully tap this or close through it. Okay, I'm going to start moving it down a little bit, $10 in the profit. Perfect. Okay, hit confirm. Risk-free trade. Okay, that came up and took us out for a break even. That's okay. I would rather protect my capital and have a risk-free trade than lose the $250 or whatever you're risking. It's very important to manage your risk. Okay, here's an entry right here. This is an A plus setup. All three confluences come together. We're going to go here. Okay, that's close enough. Right click, create limit order. Okay, we lost that one. That's okay. There's always another opportunity, and here's one right here. That's the beautiful thing about my indicator. You're always getting another opportunity. Let me close that. Okay, another A plus setup. Go down here, select your short position tool, place it on that candle. Okay, right click, always selecting stop. Okay. All right, our one-to-one's marked off. That didn't tap it yet. You need to wait for it to tap it. Okay. And then click confirm. Risk-free trade. Okay, we won that. All right, here's another entry. A plus setup. Go down here, select your short position tool. Okay, right click, create limit order, stop. I'm trying to get that on a one-to-one. You guys will have plenty of time to do this. This is just going really fast because we're in replay mode here. Okay. Hit confirm. It looks like it would have taken you out. I don't know if this, I think this ends up going for a win, but I think it looks like depending on where you put your stop loss or when you put it, you would have either broke even or won that trade. Okay, let's move along. All right, another entry. Another A plus setup. We're going to go ahead and place it just like we would. Let me slow it down. Okay. Move your stop loss to break even. Hit confirm. Risk-free trade. Okay, we won that. Let me see what else there is. We're getting later. It's 11:30, so we're getting later into the day. Let me see if there was anything else. Oh, let me speed that up. Okay, I would typically be done. It's noon. All right, yeah, I would be done. So that wraps up today's NQ recap. We ended up with 4 winning trades and 1 losing trade. That's a total of $2,000 minus the $250, totaling a total of $1,750. That's insane. Imagine if you did that across multiple accounts, all by following the same strategy and sticking to the rules. This is a great example of the opportunities that were available in just one trading day using my indicator. It's designed to work across different markets as long as you are patient and waiting for the confluences to align. I just showed you right there what is possible. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which market you'd like me to break down next. And if you'd like to try my indicator for yourself, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and always happy trading. Bye.